In order to be able to fold the seats down on this, it's also very straightforward. Along the driver's side at the rear here, as you can see, we've got a few different buttons. So our ones that are closest to the back here, that's going to control that third seat. So it's power down, power up. So we've got either our left, our right individually, or by pressing the middle button here, it's going to fold down both of them at the same time. Really, really neat. Let's have a peek. So as I mentioned, so it's electronic down and electronic up as well. So moving over, we can press this button in order to pull them back up. But what I'm going to do is show you how to fold down that second row seat as well. So what we're going to do, that next button up, we can either fold down the left or the right side independently, or we can press the button here in order to fold them both down at the same time. Now, having said that, it is powered down for that middle row, and we'd have to manually lift them back up again. In order to be able to lift that third row back up, we can do it individually, so we can lift up the right side or the left side independently of one another, just by pressing the buttons here, or by pressing this middle one, we can also bring up both of them simultaneously.